Friends, today in this video, I will explain how we can make two LED flasher circuit using an E555 timer. Friends, this circuit is very simple and I use only an E555 timer to oscillate these LEDs with same frequency. Friends, I will share the diagram of this circuit. Friends, you can change frequency of these LEDs by changing the value of capacitor. Friends, now I check the output of this circuit. To check the output of this circuit, I connect power supply to breadboard. Friends, you can check the output of this circuit. I hope you like this video. Thank you.